Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix screen flickering on Android. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to access our settings. So let's go ahead and click on settings here, and from here, choose the option that says about phone. In this case, we first have to enable the developer options on our mobile device. So the steps here are going to be the same thing, but the UI might change a bit depending on what phone that you have. In this case, go ahead and click on the option that says version, or the version here for your app. As you can see, it's going to be MIUI version for me, but in this case, just look for the version of yours. In this case, it's going to say you're already a developer here, and once you actually see that, you need to go back, scroll down a bit here, go to additional settings, and from here, what you need to do is you need to access developer options. In this case, enable developer options, and just scroll down a bit here until you see the section for HWS. In this case, it's going to be at the very bottom, or in the bottom section. In this case, you should see the disable HW overlays. In this case, make sure that you actually enable that. And from here, what you need to do is from then on, just restart your mobile device and see if that solves your issue. In this case, that's gonna be it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.